In a world where stars fall down, you need to step up and turn the stars. Returning the Stars. Returning the Stars is a single-player VR experience created by Jagpal Johar, Keith Andersch, and Marissa Pat for the Circuit Stream XR Dev Game Jam November 2021 edition. This is a game where you must return falling stars back to where they belong with your trusty leaf blower. We started the project by generating some ideas based on the theme of the game jam, which was creating and shooting. We also agreed upon some tighter restrictions, including not doing a traditional first-person shooter, and there would be no killing. This led to the idea of gathering stars and returning them back to the constellation they came from. As the player, you will run across the map, pulling each star onto the leaf blower, then take aim at an empty star location on the Big Dipper constellation. Once all stars have been collected, the player is rewarded with a firework display. Most environment assets were grabbed from the Unity Asset Store. The level and leaf blower was created by Marissa. Jagpal also supported environment flair, including a firework particle effect with sound. Keith created the constellation and spawning mechanics. Here are some of the takeaways on our project. The good. The team came together and decided on an idea quickly, limiting the scope and not allow scope creep. Learning more about the pipeline from incorporating 3D models from Maya into level design, sound design, using Git for collaboration, and building the project. The bad. Using Git, while overall is good, led to lost hours in fixing check-ins. Time ran out on the Game Jam version. We did go back to do cleanup, which included fixing transitions, added a time element, which included a night to day transition complete with Rooster Crow, and a try again UI. The learned. Got a deeper understanding of how Unity behaves and the gotchas. Got to use dot between for animations. Learned a lot about using audio source and audio clips. Learned more about the scene management. Learned more about Github and working with XR Interaction Toolkit. This was a great project to whet our appetite for what the XR world has in store for us. Thanks to Usman Azimir for his assistance and expertise during the class.